Students, shall we shall we proceed with this branch? Stock account. Quickly, opening balance.
21,000.
Okay. Anything else? And closing balance.
19,500.
19,500, sir.
Okay. Students, whenever you find all the relevant details are there, just post it directly. There is no need to be you follow an order or not. Okay. 19,500. Very good. What else? Goods sent to branch. How much?
78,000, sir.
78,000. Okay. Goods returned.
3,000, sir.
3,000.
Okay. Even though it is written, you should always follow the same entry, because that is how in ledger and journal it will work with. Okay, what about the debtors? What about debtors? Any returns from debtors? Customers?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
1,500.
What is this 1,500 for?
Returned by customers.
Okay,
Goods
so
returned.
it will affect the debtors account, so you need to accommodate debtors here. Can you understand? Clear? Then now we talk about sales. What about cash sales? How much?
52,500.
Okay, then credit sales.
85,200.
Okay, again it affects the data, so it is 85,
200.
200. Okay, students, what is the balancing figure? What is the balancing figure? Yes. How much? How much? What is the balancing figure?
59,700.
59,700, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what does this 59,000 actually mean? What is this 59,000 actually? Can somebody please explain me? What is this 59,000?
Profit got out of stock.
Please explain it. How profit can be ascertained directly from stock?
By selling the stock.
By selling the stock?
Sir,
Okay.
because on the debit side it is deficits, we are making it to balance.
That is fine, ma. I can understand that. Okay, what will happen if it is if the balancing figure is on the credit side?
It is
Sir,
cost price, which we have found out.
It is the cost price. Anything else?
sir, actually here the opening balance is more than the closing balance. Sir.
On which
Surplus.
it is considered to be surplus. Very good. Why it is considered to be surplus? Please justify. Who was that?
Suguna, sir.
Suguna, please justify why it is considered to be surplus. What is the meaning of surplus?
The profit amount.
Okay. See, we all understand this is some or the other way, it is a profit, because it is like we already consider the opening balance of the stock, existing stock, and additionally stock were provided by the head office, and again we have did all the adjustments on the returns. We also considered the sales. Obviously, this should be considered to be a gross profit. However, we are not directly telling this as a gross profit. Why? My question is why? It is not directly.
Expenses should be deducted before that.
Okay, is there any such direct expenses, ma? You are super smart. I think Purnima, right? Your answer is super smart. Still, anything else? Can you understand about it? Normally, the branch do not directly deals with the cost price. They definitely works on the invoice price. So only with the invoice prices, you will have the profit element, right? So when you have a profit element in the invoice price, then we can consider the gross profit only from the branch stock adjustment account, or else you should directly prepare the branch profit and account. However, the status of stock is very important to understand the profit status of the business. That is why whenever there is a balancing figure on the debit side, it is considered to be surplus, and whenever there is a any balancing figure on the credit side, it is considered to be a stock deficit. So this is what you need to understand. Whenever there is a debit balance, it is not a good sign for the branch whether it is working properly or not. So you need to keep in mind that gross profit can be directly ascertained from the stock adjustment account based on the invoice prices. And also for your additional information, those who are undergoing professional courses, when you go through the materials of CA or CMA, normally this value will be considered as a profit, but it is considered to be an apparent profit. Okay, that is what I would like to share about it. But anyway, what are the textbooks that you follow? Please stick on to it. Don't get confused with, because often there is a possibility of confusions. So don't confuse with, because normally the stock account will help you to ascertain the gross profit, but only in the stock adjustment account you name it as a gross profit. Otherwise, it is considered to be an apparent profit. Clear? Because end of the day it is giving a difference between the sales value and the existing stock. Since we are dealing with cost, the profit is very clear that we can get through this branch profit amount, which can be directly transferred to branch profit and loss account. Otherwise, if you are going to prepare branch stock adjustment account in case the transactions are provided in invoice prices, directly you can specify it as a gross profit. Okay, there is no such confusions in that case. So this is all I would like to share about this particular event. Otherwise, we can move on to next topic. What is next? What is the next books of accounts they ask us to prepare?
Branch debtors.
Branch debtors account, sir.
Okay, branch debtors account. Very good. Students, is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think you're all used to my Excel, I guess. Are you comfortable with this Excel?
Yes, sir.
Calculations?
Yes,
and all?
sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
great. That's good. Can somebody quickly prepare the debtors account and tell me? Is there any balances? So we should start with the opening balance. Carry down how much?
37,800.
Okay. 1 minute. Students, you will be having an orientation on capital market and what to say. It's a financial training. Orientation will be provided by Finmark by 29th Monday on campus. So I would like to make sure that students must comply with the attendance on that day. It's a direct HOD's instruction. So opening balance is 37,800 and closing balance
29,400.
okay. Balance carried down, brought down. $29,400. Very good. And anything else? Credit sales
85,200.
okay. Students, I think yesterday and day before yesterday, I was asking you to review all the journal entries. Only when you understand the journal entries properly, you can handle all these entries in the ledger. You cannot directly put it as credit sales because this is affecting the branch stock account. So here the transaction should be branch stock, which is 85,200, right? Okay. So now opening closing is over. Credit sales is done. Any amount that we have collected from the debtors?
Cash received from debtors.
Yes, sir.
How much?
85,500, sir.
85,500.
Okay, very good. Anything else? Any returns? Any returns, ma'am?
1,500.
1,500. See, this adjustment is affecting the stock. Can you understand? Yes, I'm just highlighting it with the red font. These two adjustments have a direct impact on it, on the either side. Now, any other things related to data, students? Any returns? We have accommodated the returns. Anything else related to data?
Bad debts.
Bad debts, only bad debts.
Discount to customers.
Okay. Bad debts, how much?
1,800, sir.
1,800.
1,800. Okay. Then discount, how much?
4,200, sir.
Okay. Anything else?
Sir, allowance to customer 600, sir.
Okay. What is the total? What is the total, ma?
6,600.
6,600, sir.
Okay. So 6,600. Fine. So the debtors account is clear, right? What is the next account they want us to prepare?
Branch expenses account.
Okay. Shall we prepare that now? Branch expenses account. Sharon, please remind me once the time is up, because I was just summa going on with the thing.
Okay, sir.
So expenses, what are the expenses, ma? The company, the branch has incurred with?
Salaries and wages.
Okay. Since we have given this
Advertisement.
branch expenses here, shall we directly consider this amount first? Okay, anyway, I will go with your flow. Tell me, what are the expenses that is paid? Is it paid directly by the head office? The head office paid all the branch expenses from its bank except petty cash expenses which were paid by the branch. So it is paid by the head office. Clear, students? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's a bank transaction. So you need to list out all the expenses now. What are the expenses? Advertisement, how much?
2,400, sir. 2,400.
2,400. Okay. Students, in case of anything goes wrong, please stop me. Okay, 2,400. Fine.
Uh,
What, Elijah?
so rents,
Okay, rent, how much?
rent 3,600, sir.
Okay, then
Salaries and wages.
how much?
18,600.
Okay, anything else? Okay, anything else? That's all? Is it 24,600?
Debtors
Anything else?
expenses.
Okay, branch debtors. How much, ma? How much? Yes. Debtors expenses, shall we consider the same 6,600?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anything else? That's it? Any other expenses? See, all these expenses were paid by
Head office.
head office. Okay. What should be paid by the branch?
Petty cash.
Petty
Petty
cash,
cash
sir.
Petty
expenses.
expenses. Okay. How much is petty expenses? The
300, sir.
opening balance is 600. Yes, opening balance is 600. Closing balance is 300. For
300.
example, if you are going to prepare a petty cash account, okay, just Shumma I am preparing. Don't have it in your textbooks. If it's going to be like petty cash account, opening balances comes at debit side or credit side.
Debits.
It is 600 and closing is how
300,
much?
sir.
300.
300.
Okay, so what is the balancing figure?
300, sir.
300, sir.
But I don't know whether I'm posting it correctly. But this is how it works. But we are not considering all these. Is that clear, students? Directly, since there is no additional information on petty expenses, we are directly 1 minute, ma. We are directly considering 600 minus 300. How much?
300.
How
300.
much? Okay. So give me the total. 31,500. Now tell me, what about this balancing figure? Where it should be posted to? Which account will be affected by this?
Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account.
Why?
Expenses are carried in profit and loss account only, sir.
Okay, only when we accommodate the branch expenses with the gross profit, we can, excuse me, we can get what? We can get
Net profit.
the balancing figure is how much?
31,500.
31,500. So now what is the next account that we are going to prepare, ma? What is the next account that we need to
Profit
prepare?
and loss account. Branch profit and loss account.
Branch profit
Profit and loss account.
and loss account. Okay, quickly tell me what are all to be considered here. First of all, branch expenses, transfers. How much? How much? How much has been transferred, ma?
31,500.
Just 500?
31,500.
Okay, good. Anything else?
Branch profit and loss.
Think and answer.
Branch stock
Surplus
account,
stock.
sir.
Branch profit and loss, ma. Which account should be posted in the ledger of branch profit and loss?
Stock
Should
account.
be-
Branch stock account.
Yeah, it's
Branch
like
stock
branch
account, sir.
stock account. Very good. How much? 59?
700.
Okay. So tell me, what is the balancing figure and what it is? Balancing figure is?
28,200.
Okay. 28,200. This is considered to be,
Net profit.
it is a general profit and loss account. It will be moved on to. However, it is actually a net profit. But we don't use this term, net profit. Right? So students, as of now, it is fine to proceed. Yes. So now it is almost 4-5. Take down one problem for your practice. Maybe day after tomorrow or by Monday, we will work on with the invoice pricing. Take down.
Sir, just a minute, sir. We'll copy it, sir.
Okay, okay, ma. Shall I read all the problem or shall I take a pic and pass it on to Rishabh?
Sir, take a pic and put it in the group, sir.
Okay, it is already there in the textbooks, which is illustration 14. How many want me to read the problem? Put it in the chat box. We will see the class response.
No one, sir.
Okay, then I will ask Rishabh to paste it. It is actually an illustration problem. But here you need to prepare branch stock account, debtors, expenses, P&L. Along with that, you need to prepare branch cash and goods sent to branch account. Students, normally the cost pricing will not be a big deal, but invoice pricing is very important because that is a major component of your syllabus also, right? So once we work on invoice price, it will be more detailed. But anyway, have this particular problem for a practice. I will post it to Rishabh or Kathleen. Is Kathleen here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kathleen, how's it going?
Not bad, sir.
Okay, not bad. So it's definitely not good. Anyway, please take care. Anyway, I'll pose this problem with Rishabh and Kathleen so that you can copy it. Next time when I meet you all, I will also check your classwork note. You may think it's like very kiddish, but I am good in doing that. I will check your classwork note.
Sir, the first sum, you gave two
First,
sums, no, sir.
yes. Yes, ma.
The sum with invoice price of 33.3%, sir. Did
Yes,
we
ma.
do
That
that,
is
sir?
invoice price. So I will work one more invoice price and I will teach that. We will finish cost price by today. Next class, we will work on the invoice price so that even we come to know about the stock adjustment account. Because that problem has stock adjustment account. I don't want to straight away start with adjustment account. That's why I have the simple problem at first. Is that fine, Elijah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Students, here they have asked you to prepare a necessary branch accounts. Can somebody quickly tell me what are the necessary branch accounts? What are the accounts that we need to prepare? Rishabh, can you quickly post it to the class?
It's posted, sir.
It's been posted. Very good. Also shared with Kathleen. Just take down, you need to prepare branch stock account, branch debtors account, branch expenses account, branch P&L account, similar to what we have worked now. In addition to that, you need to prepare two accounts. One is branch cash account, other one is goods sent to branch account. Is that clear, students?
Yes, the last one is good sent to branch account, sir.
Yes, last one is goods sent to branch account, right? So it is not a compulsion that you need to finish the problem, but try to finish the first four accounts. But you definitely need an additional information on this cash and goods sent to branch. We will work it accordingly, right? Is that fine, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we leave or any more discussions?
So what about the attendance, sir, for this hour?
Very good question.
Screenshot.
What can we do?
Screenshot, sir.
Screenshot. Okay. Anyway, we worked out this problem, right? You just post it in the GCR. Maybe I will create a loop. I don't think that's a big deal, right? Is that fine? Yes? Can you just take a picture and upload it?
Oh, sir.
Okay, then I will create a loop, students.
Sir.
Please do that before 6 p.m. possibly because you already worked it.
No, sir.
No, why?
No, and I'm not able to understand very thoroughly now, sir. So I take little time, additional time to do it.
But anyway, whatever you written in your classwork note, please post it in GCR.
Okay, sir.
Thank you all, students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.